One of the most impressive features of the AI agent is its ability to create a development environment. A development environment is like a small, fast, and very useful virtual machine for developing applications. You can install and remove software from it to allow you to develop it with modules and libraries that you want to use. And to illustrate that, here I have a new agent I just created, and I'm going to create a development environment so I can write Node.js code. You can use this for any language that you want. So let's start by asking to create the development environment. So please create a new development environment called Node.js. And now inside this small virtual machine, I can start adding my software. So let's install curl so I can make REST API calls. Into this environment, install curl. Now that it's installed, I will also need Node.js so I can write my application. So into this environment, install Node.js. And also I will need npm so I can use npm modules and npm. It is always useful to also install Git so I can push codes to my GitHub. So into this environment, please install the Git client. Now let's test out this environment, asking it to create a Hello World application. In this environment, write a index.js file that prints out hello world in Node.js. Execute the file and print out the result. And there you go, the output is hello world. Of course, this is a very simple example, but you can use it to run code as complex as you need to, and you don't have to install software and library into your own machine because you can do it all inside a development environment using the AI agent. So, if you enjoyed this content, please leave a like in this video and consider subscribing to the channel so you never miss out on new content like this. I also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave in the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope you enjoyed this content and I hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.